Decisions are made to bring about desired outcomes, but the information available about those outcomes will vary. Let's take a look at decision-making conditions. The range of available information can be considered as a continuum whose endpoints represent complete certainty, where all the alternative outcomes are known, and complete uncertainty, where all alternative outcomes are unknown. Points between the two extremes create risk. The decision maker has some information about the possible outcomes and may be able to estimate the probability of their occurrence. Different information conditions present different challenges to the decision maker. Under a condition of certainty, the manager knows the outcomes of each alternative. Under a condition of risk, the decision maker cannot know that with certainty what outcome of a given action will be, but has enough information to estimate the probabilities of various outcomes. The decision maker who lacks enough information to estimate the probability of outcomes, or perhaps even identify the outcomes at all, faces a condition of uncertainty. Several approaches to decision making offer insights into the process by which managers arrive at their decisions. The rational approach is appealing because of its logic and economy. Yet these qualities raise questions about this approach because decision-making often is not wholly rational in its process. The behavioral approach, meanwhile, attempts to account for the limits on rationality in decision-making. Of course, as we see, many managers combine rationality with behavioral processes when making decisions.